today I'm gonna show you how to make your very own PNG for Vtubing. Grab your drawing tools and let's get started. Now I know what you might be thinking, but Lumeria, I don't know how to draw. Well, too bad. Wanna be a PNG tuber? Then you have to do whatever it takes. You hear me? You think I'm an artist too? Well, let me prove you wrong. So I'm gonna show you a hack. Okay, listen carefully. Before you dive into the actual drawing, I hope you've watched my previous video and I'm assuming you have a mood board for reference. If not, go check that out first and come back here later. I'm not that good at drawing stuff, so I go to Pick Crew and steal it. Wait, no, I'm just kidding. Don't sue me, please. But for real, listen up. Go make your character there first, as you get to feel which elements you're gravitating towards, because having a clear idea of your character's design will make the drawing process a lot smoother. Keep in mind that there are some Pick Crews that let you use the PNG as is and use it straight for VTubing like this, but not all of them do. So make sure to read the terms first. I'll link them down below, but for now I'm assuming we can't use it for anything else other than personal use. Next, you'll need some drawing software. You can use any program you're comfortable with, whether it's Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, or even a free option like Krita. The key is finding something that allows you to work with layers, which is basically almost every drawing software out there. If not, then why? Why? Why do you exist? Yes, I'm looking at you, Microsoft Paint. So looking at the references you have, let's start with the rough sketch. Begin by sketching out the basic shapes and proportions of your character. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is just to get the overall feel of your character down on the canvas. Don't think too much of it. Yes, you're bad, I know, but that's okay, because we can be bad at drawing together. Woo!
But what the hell, boy?
People were roasting me. I mean, I've had some help from wonderful artists in chat while I was live streaming the drawing process, and their feedback were really useful. So if you know anyone who's good at art, don't be shy and ask them for some critiques. What's the worst that could happen? Once you're happy with your sketch, it's time to face the bane of my existence.
Oh no.
Yes, my worst enemy, line art. Create a new layer on top of your sketch and start outlining your character. Take your time with this step. Clean, smooth lines will really make your PNG stand out. You can adjust the line thickness to add some variety and depth to your character. Do I sound like I know what I'm doing? Because as you can see, I obviously don't. Next up is coloring. Create another layer underneath your line art and start filling in the colors. Think about the color palette that best suits your character, or in my case, choose a random color, because who the heck knows what color theory is? Don't be like me and keep your layers organized. Having separate layers for the skin, hair, and clothing will make it easier to make the changes later. I got made fun of this in stream because I quote-unquote forgot. It's a stylistic choice, okay? Definitely on purpose. Yeah, after coloring, you can add in any final details like highlights, shadows, or accessories. Yes, definitely second guess where those details come in and just sprinkle them everywhere and hope for the best. If you want your PNG to have different expressions or poses, you can create separate layers for those as well. And there is one thing I want you to remember while drawing the PNG. Listen up. This is the most important thing I'm about to tell you in this entire video. Listen up, okay? That is to draw two sets of eyes and mouth, one open and one closed. This is completely optional, but it is important if you want to have a kind of animated PNG for VTubing. Now that your character is complete, it's time to export your PNG. Make sure to save your file with a transparent background so your character can seamlessly blend into any background during your streams. If you created multiple expressions or poses, export each one as a separate PNG. Here's how mine looks.
Biggest piece of dog shit.
And there you have it. You just created your very own PNG for VTubing. Now you're ready to start streaming your custom character. And if you want to find out how to set up the PNG you just drew like this, I will link a video down below. But for now, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more VTuber tips and creative guides. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.